How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make your Pinterest account public. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how to toggle your Pinterest account into public and private. So to actually do so is pretty straightforward. What you guys want to do is once you find yourselves on the homepage of Pinterest, you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen, and you want to click on the arrow icon right here. And I should mention that the steps shown here will also apply to whether you're on mobile or the desktop app, or rather, I should say the website. But yeah, pretty much the same steps apply, so you should be good there. So anyway, what you guys need to do is you want to click on the arrow key right down here, and it'll show you a drop down menu with a bunch of options to choose from. So from here, you want to click on settings, and what's going to happen is Pinterest will redirect you to a configuration page for your profile. So from here, right off the bat, you can already see that on the left side corner, well, not the corner, the panel, I should say, there's an option to toggle your profile visibility. So from here, what you want to do is click on that, and you can immediately see that there's an option to turn your profile private. So to do so, you just want to click on this and hit save, and that'd be it. Now, by default, this is set to public. So if you guys were looking to create a Pinterest account, then that's basically what you would need to do to set your profile to private. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.